a special day because NATURIUM is 3 years old. Woo! And we're celebrating with our best-selling product, niacinamide. So a lot of people don't realize NATURIUM started 3 years ago before I was even involved. And when I got a chance to try some of the first products like the Niacinamide Serum, I was immediately impressed and I had to know what they were doing. So I got in contact with the team. We started to have lots of great conversations because in my opinion, NATURIUM was really revolutionizing skincare with just the first products that they had started. Yes, we had affordable skincare brands that were really good. Yes, we had medical grade brands. Yes, we had prestige brands, but we really didn't have something that was in the middle. And that's what I saw with NATURIUM. So once we started getting into all these conversations and really talking about what we wanted to do in the future with skincare, the team eventually asked me to join as a founder. Niacinamide Serum 12% plus zinc 2% is by far our best selling product. In fact, this year we'll officially produce our millionth bottle, which is insanity to me. I cannot believe how many people love this product and tell us how much it has changed their skin. This really is the product that I think people think of when they think of NATURIUM. So to celebrate this milestone, we have a brand new look for our best-selling product. Introducing Niacinamide Serum 12% plus zinc 2%. It's the same formula that you've grown to love, but with a whole new look. Now, there's a reason why this is our best-selling product. This has transformed so many people's skin. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you've heard me talk about niacinamide for years. I first discovered it when I was pregnant with my son, Nikosh, so like 5-6 years ago. It was one of the only ingredients I could use that really helped my skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is great to balance oil production, to also even your skin tone and your texture, and also to soothe your skin. So if you're a person who has oily skin, even if you have dry skin, it helps to balance out that oil production. And it also helps your skin retain moisture. So you're getting that perfect balance. It helps with clogged pores. It helps with discoloration. Niacinamide is the ingredient for you. It really fits into so many buckets for so many skin types and skin issues. It's the reason why niacinamide has become so popular and you see it in so many different products these days. To this day, I hear people say that they don't think they need niacinamide, or they've tried niacinamide serums and they didn't like the experience, or it just didn't work for their skin. And then when I tell them to use our niacinamide serum or any of our other niacinamide products, they are blown away because they always tell me, I didn't think I needed it, and now I can't live without it. And that's the reason why this is our most popular product. What really makes our niacinamide serum stand out is that we use a high purity niacinamide, meaning that it minimizes nicotinic acid impurities, which cause that skin flushing, that redness that some people report when they use niacinamide. A lot of people that say they get that redness say they don't get it when they use our niacinamide serum. This also contains zinc PCA, which helps to reduce that shine on your skin while also helping your skin retain its natural moisture. We always formulate NATURIUM products to be at the appropriate pH for your skin so that your skin can feel really healthy and balanced. This is one of the reasons why we say NATURIUM products are biocompatible. I think a lot of people assume that this is a product for only people who have, congested pores or who have oily skin, but this product works for so many different skin types and skin issues. So if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you give it a try. It's so easy to add into your skincare routine. You can use it morning or night. It's a serum step. It's very hydrating and nourishing for your skin. You can see it has this light, milky texture to it. And when you put it onto your skin, it just gives you lots of hydration. So really, if you're a person who has oily skin, congested pores, if you have dry skin, any of these issues, discoloration, I highly recommend it. So many people are converts. And you know what they always tell me? They don't necessarily see the difference when they first start using it. They see the difference when they stop using it. And then they're like, wait a second, I need to go back to this. This is the product that changed my skin. That's what everybody tells me. But you don't need to take my word for it. We have so many reviews. On Amazon alone, we have like 11,500 reviews of just our niacinamide serum. People have told us how it has transformed their skin. One really fun story is actually about one of our team members. She started off as a NATURIUM customer. She started buying our niacinamide serum. She saw such a huge change in her skin that she became a NATURIUM believer, and now she's on our team. When I look back on these last 3 years, we have accomplished so much as a team and as a brand. It's very, very exciting to see the things that we have done. I mean, besides our Niacinamide Serum being a bestseller, we've launched so many different products with the goal of having a solution for every skin issue, and we're still going because we want everyone to have their own personalized skincare routine. It's one of my biggest goals is to make sure that you find the products that you need to use consistently and love, because everything's so personal when it comes to skincare. In our first year, we also launched in Target, which was a huge deal for us. It really helped us grow even faster and really helped people discover Naturium because we went into every single Target store across the nation. It was such a big deal for us to do this. At the beginning of this year, we also launched body products. Again, a really huge deal. Our body washes have been massive for us. One of our best sellers is also our Glow Getter body wash. People love it. People love our BioLipid body lotion. I mean, everything in our body category is doing so well. Some of our other best sellers include our BHA liquid exfoliant. People love our purple ginseng cleansing balm, which was a big personal accomplishment because you know how much I love cleansing balm. And I feel like I actually get the opportunity to educate people on double cleansing even more now because I have the products that people can use and they love them. Our vitamin C complex serum and even our vitamin C super serum are also best sellers. And I have a feeling we're gonna have another bestseller on our hands with the launch of our first sunscreen, which is coming very soon. I promise. I see all the questions about it. It is happening. Our first Naturium sunscreen will be here very, very soon, and you're gonna love it. And now, because of everything that we've done, we've decided to go global. We are launching exclusively at Space NK in the UK. It's gonna be such a huge deal, and I am so excited to see what everyone thinks across the pond when they get their hands on Naturium. And there's so much more happening, and all of it is because of you. So thank you for all of your support over the last couple of years especially. It really means a lot. You've made my dreams come true. I hope that I'm helping all of you with your skin dreams and that you love your skin and that you have the healthiest skin that you could ever imagine because of Naturium and because of what you've learned throughout the years with me. So thank you. I can't wait to share everything else that we're gonna do over the next 3 more years and then after that even. So we've come a long way and we have so much more to do. And it's all because of you. So thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Thank you again for everything. You can find us on Instagram. We're at Naturium Skin. We are always there to help you with your skincare questions, with your questions about the products, questions about your own routine. If you need us to put a routine together for you, we will help you. Just send us a DM at Naturium Skin. You can also find me on Instagram. I'm at Susan Yara. And I'll talk to you guys soon. 3 years, here we go.